The consumer data right requires data holders and accredited data recipients to provide services for data sharing. Some aspects of these services are required by specified obligation dates. The primary source of these requirements is the CDR rules. The CDR rules also specify completion dates for required service features. For example, in CDR rules, Schedule 3, Banking Sector, Part 6, Staged Application of these rules, Section 6.6, Commencement Table, the CDR rules specify dates at which certain product data must be available for sharing, related to products in specified phases. A phase in this context is a group of banking products, with products in each phase required on a different schedule. See CDR Rules, Schedule 3, Banking Sector, Part 1, Section 1.4 for definitions of phases and the banking products assigned to the phases. Dates specified in the CDR rules take precedence over dates specified elsewhere. Obligation dates in the CDR rules are not subject to the control of the data standards body and are not determined in response to consultation with the DSB. While some obligation dates can be found in the CDR rules, others are specified in the Consumer Data Standards. The Consumer Data Standards give details of the APIs and other technical features required as part of the CDR services. Details of these obligation dates are in the CDS Future Dated Obligations section. Future dated obligations, or FDOs, are determined through the Data Standards Body consultation process. The dates are proposed and feedback is requested from participating community members. Dates are provided for APIs and for supporting features such as specified error codes and operational metrics. For API endpoint versions, additional information is available in the Endpoint version schedule. CX standards are specified in the CDS document. Obligation dates for CX standards correspond to the dates for the associated product phases. The CX guidelines give guidance on the application interfaces required as part of the CDR services. Guidelines are not standards, and there are no obligation dates for compliance. However, the DSB strongly recommends following the guidelines from the commencement of service. This provides a consistent and accessible experience for users. A data holder or an accredited data recipient may apply for an exemption from an obligation date. See the Support Portal article, Understanding Compliance Exemptions, for the process of seeking an exemption. The Exemptions register indicates participants for whom exemptions have been granted and what those exemptions are. The CDR rules set out the required services and features. The CDR rules specify some obligation dates. Other obligation dates are available in the documents discussed here. Providing the required services and features on the obligation dates ensures safe, secure, and accessible data sharing as specified by the consumer data right.